Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back. So today we're going to be talking about Pampers Sensitive wipes. They are the #1 pediatrician recommended in brand. I'm sure you guys have heard about Pampers or seen their commercials. If you guys want some more information, just be sure to check the video description for that. So I just had a baby a couple weeks ago and he was born prematurely at 33 weeks. So that's why I use Pampers Sensitive, because I was just using like different kinds of wipes that are good ingredients, but they had like some scents and stuff in them. But being that my son's so premature, I don't really know yet what's going to irritate him and what's not going to irritate him. So that's why I wanted to try the sensitive wipes, because his skin is so sensitive and you know, he's so little. I just wanted to be super careful. So these are the Pampers Sensitive. You could get them in just one pack or in like a box with several packages. I think I ordered a total of 504 altogether. So this is what it looks like. There's 72 wipes per container. They are fragrance-free and perfume-free. So they literally have no smell, but they do an awesome job, and they're like a nice sturdy wipe, and they come in this easy pop-up container. So they're super easy to take out, super easy to store. You just can't flush them, can clog pipes and sewers. And where I live, I unfortunately have a cesspool, so I really can't flush even wipes that say they're flushable. So I just have to be super careful about that. So these are clinically proven for sensitive skin. They are with the Skin Health Alliance and dermatologist approved. They are hypoallergenic. And this is the packaging. See on the back. That's what the back looks like. Store at room temperature, of course, because if they are stored in a room that has, you know, a lot of heat in the summer or in the winter when you have the dry heat on and you have these in there, they could really dry out, especially if you have the top open. That's definitely happened to me. So these are great for, you know, babies for wiping their hands too, because, you know, there's no scent or anything. So sometimes when you wipe a baby's hands, they're going to put their hands in their mouth after. These are perfect because then you don't really have to worry about that because it's sensitive. You could wipe their face, their hands, you know, and then their body when you change their diaper with these as well, and it does not irritate at all. So that's definitely something, you know, to consider and something that you want to be very careful about. They're inexpensive. They're a little more than like, say, you know, like a store brand, but they're definitely inexpensive, and you'll get a lot of use out of them because they're like a sturdier wipe, not like a cheap wipe, you know, where like you have to use a whole bunch of them. With these, you know, one goes a long way. So my son, he's so little that I was just telling you guys, so he does spit up a lot too. So I'm constantly wiping his face, and like, you know, it could get like dry and crusty in areas. So I have to use a wipe rather than just like a dry tissue or something like that. So these are perfect for that. So if you guys just want to have something with cleaner ingredients and no scent, these are perfect as well. And then, of course, Pampers is great for babies, but they are actually really great makeup removers as well. So like these, I could feel confident using on my face and wiping off my eye makeup, because I know it's like, you know, not going to irritate me. So I'm going to be irritation free, and it's not going to make me break out or anything like that. These are great on the go. Stick them in your baby's diaper bag. So if you take them to the park or whatever, you can wipe their hands afterwards. If you're feeding them and they get food on their mouth, you can wipe their face afterwards. Really, like, it's just so useful. So guys, this was my video for Pampers Sensitive Wipes. Pediatrician recommended. I hope you guys found the video useful. If you did, please feel free to leave a comment and let me know. Thanks, guys, and have a great day.